Hello, konnichiwa, it's cooking time! In this video, let's cook Japanese simmered fish, Karei no Nitsuke, a popular fish dish in Japan. In this recipe, we need flatfish or flounder or karei in Japanese. We need water, mirin, sake, ginger, shoyu or soy sauce. Wash the fish and remove scales. Here are the points on how to remove fishy smell. First, submerge fish in hot water for 2 to 3 seconds. Second, put fish in a bowl of cold water. Third, gently rinse the fish to remove smell and scales. Sake tenderizes meat, remove unwanted smell, and gives deeper flavor to your dish. Mirin helps keep the delicate fish in its original shape while simmering, and also creates a glossy texture, making it visually appealing. Cover with foil to keep the fish submerged and absorb the broth. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes. Remove the foil and set the fire to medium heat. Add sugar if necessary. Scoop the sauce over the fish until the sauce becomes a little thicker. It's just perfect. Let's eat! Itadakimasu! Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to see your comments down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos.